welcome back to my channel. I'm Shriti and for today's video I'll be doing a jewelry haul for you guys. So a couple of days ago I ordered some jewelry from Amazon and it turned out to be really well. All the jewelry items that I bought turned out to be really well, so I decided why not to make a separate haul video for all the jewelry that I ordered. All the products that I show in this video are linked in the description box below. In case you want to buy any of them, then go check them out. First item that I have with me are these silver earrings with a mirror on it, and I really love the way how they look. Both of them, they look perfect on western as well as traditional wear, and they give a really boho vibe, so it really matches my vibe. I really love wearing silver oxidized jewelry, so I guess this was my one of the favorite earrings that I bought. Second pair that I got is again from Amazon. Actually, all the jewelries are from Amazon. So this is a multicolor earring set and looks so elegant. I wore them in my Dussehra vlog. If you guys remember, all those watching me who have seen my video, they might be knowing it that I wore them in my Dussehra vlog, and they look so pretty, and the length is also like so adorable. It looks. Third pair that I got is this one. It looks so pretty on long dresses as well as your traditional wears and western wears. You can also go pair this up with your one pieces and it looks so pretty, you guys. These structures here, chain like structures, are so pretty. Just look at them. This is one of my favorites and I love the way how it looks. I love the way how it make your face looks. It looks so gorgeous. I am in just love with this. Next item that I bought is these bobby pins. I had to get these from so long and I have been searching them. As soon as Shein got banned, I have been searching them since a long time. So I finally got these on Amazon and I was so happy, and I love the way how they look. I have seen a lot of influencers and content creators wearing these and I was so obsessed with the way how they turned out to be. So yeah. The next item that I have with me is again some clips. I love the way these pearl pins look. I always used to see many people wearing these and I wanted them since a very long time. So these came with these came in a 4-piece cassette, and ये दोनों जो है, these are like triangular shape and these are square rectangle shape. So I love the way, I totally love the way how it looks, and I'll make sure to insert a detailed clip so that every part of this is visible, because I'm not really sure if it looks the same way if it does it in real. So pair of earrings that I got are these peacock earrings. Okay. So I love the way how they look. Only demerit that they have is I don't really like golden jewelry. Personally, it's my personal preference because golden jewelry has that black finish or like black glow. They look blackish, so that's why I don't really am personally not a big fan of it. So it was a okay from my side, but like it would look really well on something traditional that you wear, or like Navratri for like Diwali, when you wear a traditional anarkali suit, it would look really well. So in case you are interested, the link is in my description. Earring that I got is this one. So I love the way how it looks, because it's really elegant, simple, and it looks really well with western or traditional wear. I have been repeating the same sentence again and again, but what should I do? All these earrings are so beautiful. It has a very simple design, but look at it, guys. It looks so adorable. So I totally love it. And the best part about silver jewelry is that it matches with every vibe. Like, even if you're wearing a jeans and a top and you are layering with a blazer, you're good to go with silver jewelry. So that is the thing that I personally love about silver jewelry. Earring that I have with me are these loops. I personally love wearing loops and I wanted to get them since a long time. I found them on Amazon, but I'm not really happy with the size because it's too large, guys. I mean, it's too large, but like I will get to, I'll get used to wear large loops because I personally don't wear large earrings. So, but now I think so I'll have to wear and match the vibe. So next item that is my favorite is these shell loops. I wanted them since a very very long time and I love the way how they look on me, and I personally love the idea of you know styling in boho because I personally love that style and I love the way how they look on me. And so the last item that I got is this layered necklace. I personally have been a huge fan of layered necklace since a very very long time, and I wanted to have one since a very long time. But then this globe wala the earth shaped necklace I wanted to have. Just look at this, guys. It looks so adorable. I mean, I'm in just love with this, and I'm sure that I'm gonna get more of these layered necklaces because they really go well with denim jackets or a plain white or black t-shirt or any sweatshirt or like anything when you're not wearing something really out of the box. When you're basic, even with a basic tee, it works really really well. So I personally am a big fan of layered necklace and I love the way how it looks. It's so I just realized that sun was setting down and I got a natural source of light, so I switched off my ring light and I really love the background fairy lights look in this particular setup. So that's it for this video, guys. I really hope you guys liked watching it. If you did, then make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share this video, subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to press the little bell to get notified every single time I post a new video. Follow me on my Instagram and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Love, love. Mwah.